Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to style your kinky in 7 different ways. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learn one or two things from this. Right now, I'll be styling my edges with the Gorilla Gel. I'll just be using this on my edges. As you all know, I am the no front hair gang. So please accept me the way you see me. So I'm just going to be using this to style my edges. Just trying to take them all back with my brush. This is like a toothbrush that I use for my hair. And I'm just going to be styling the edges with this gel like I said earlier. So I'm literally just taking the edges sideways, more like forward, sideways, and then backwards, and then using my finger to just try and put it in place. And that is all I'm going to be doing here. So right now I just went on to remove the band I have on my hair, and I don't know if you noticed, but like when I was making my hair, I actually told the lady making it to just make the front not as long as the back, because my plan was just to keep on packing it all to the front, but then I just had to change the plan a little bit. So for the first time, I'm going to be using this bandana, which I got for, I think it's no more than 150. I'm going to be leaving the dollar price on the screen, and I'm just going to be folding this. I first made it like a triangle shape, and then I kept on folding it like that until it's actually small as that. So the next thing is I'm just going to arrange my hair and try and take my hair backwards, just try and relax my hair backward, and then I'm going to tie this bandana on my hair. First off, I did not make it that tight because I wanted to take it backwards, so I just made it loose, and then I took the bandana backwards. When I was satisfied with the space, with the way it is, I made it tight, so it's just going to stay in place. So that's what I'm doing right now. I just made it tight. So when I was done tying that, I just went on to push those hair to the front. So I wanted the hair to just come forward. Just in case you don't like the way that was looking, you can also just take the hair backward, let the bandana just be visible, and just take the hair backwards. So for the next style, I want to remove the bandana, and I'm just trying to arrange the hair. Then I try to make the hair sideways, like I try to part the hair and have like a side part, and I just left a little at the other side. And I'll be using this pin. I think I got the pack for like 100 naira. I'll just be using that pin to pin the hair to make it just sit there and not just fly around when I'm on a bike or something. So this is like it for this style, guys. So for this style, I'll just be taking the hair sideways again like I did before, and I'm just trying to arrange it. So once I'm done arranging, I'm just trying to kind of fold this into the hair and then take it sideways. Like, I really don't know how to explain it. Like, I'm trying to twist it and just fold it and just put them inside, like turn after turn and after turn, and just trying to take them inside and roll them inside actually, and then just bring them all to the back. Just take them backwards, and once I'm done with that, I'm just going to try and hold everything together, then use a band just like that one on the screen, and I would use that to just hold it together so everything is going to be in place. So for the next time, I'm just trying to arrange my hair, and then I try to bring like two hairs out of the others because I'm just going to be packing the rest. Although I'm going to be changing those hairs because I felt they were too far apart from each other. So I just brought out two hair from the front and then try to pack the other hair together. Guys, this hair is old, and I know you can see that it's old. So yes, so that's just what I'm doing here. Like I said earlier, I'm going to change those hair I brought forward before because I felt they were too far apart. I just exchanged them with two other hair that I felt were closer to each other, and that was all I did here. So guys, for this style, the only thing I did was I tried to lose the back of the hair, like the parts I tied earlier, and I tried to move like some parts from the back. So if you're a Nigerian, you're going to know the hairstyle they call love come down. So it's something like that. I just try and let loose some parts at the back, and that was all. So for this style, I actually just went on to lose the hair again and went back to my bandana, and I'm just going to take my hair backwards and just make the bandana like a triangle shape, and I'm going to try and tie my hair, although I'm not taking the bandana to the back of the hair. Like, I'm not making the hair cover the tie at the back. I'm trying to tie this on top of the hair. I don't really hope this is understandable, but I'm just trying to tie this on top of the hair and not take it at the back of the hair to tie. So for this style, I'm going to be using two rubber band, and I joined them together to make them tight, and I just use this to cross the hair. Like, I use this to just pack the hair, although I brought the band to the back. And so right now I just bend down and I'm trying to bring the band forward. Then next I took the hair upward and then just take the rubber band and the front, just push it back a little bit, just a little bit, and try to arrange the hair and the front. And this is like it for this style, guys. Although after doing this, you might just find that some hair are kind of long and you might not like the way it is at the front. So I just literally took those hair backwards, just use it to just find a place for it at the back though, anywhere. And literally this is all for this style. I really love this style, and this was what I had in mind when I told the lady to make the back long and the front short. So guys, please give this video a thumb up if you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to hit the subscription button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe. Love you.